in the city where the lights stay wild. Bass hit heavy, got a club on trial. Shorty too bad, got a dangerous smile. On the headline, maybe not just stop. Pull up clean, no stress on me. Wrist on cold, neck like sea.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. This one's slightly different from the other hiking videos that we did. We're not climbing a mountain. We are on the search for some waterfalls. But as per usual, true Owen fashion, not everything goes to plan. I hope you enjoy. We have gone the wrong way. Yes. And now half of us are sinking. We've made it to soft ground. Hard ground.
Well,
hard ground.
Mid at the moment. But wet feet.
Wet feet. Evangelia, here for the vibes.
Bryn. All.
Porthy Ogoff was the beginning of the hike. And that's the way we just came. But I reckon Finn's onto something here. Finn, here for the content. We just did an off-roading route that way, and it was awful. I've got lots of boo-boos, but we move. We've decided we've gone the wrong way, and we're going back. And I bet you the path that we're going on, because I've seen the path, is a lot easier than what we've just attempted. But yeah, I think someone just fell over. L for them. I've lost my mic.
No.
Tragedy. Tragedy.
It will take you up to this one here. Alright, that's Lower Llangwyn, yeah? It's paramount for safety reasons, yeah? That you always come back to your entry point on the main loop, alright? When you go off on the green, because these basically the exits to where the waterfalls are.
Okay, cool.
You must retrace your steps, okay? So bump back to 25, yeah? You've done all your hard work now because you've gone down into the valley, yeah? So you've got a nice walk back from 25 up to 13, steadily going up in elevation, because where you was down there, you're going to be up here now, and this is your last waterfall, and you'll be over here, and you'll be looking down at the waterfall like that. There are severe drops, and they're not very forgiving, all right? So just be mindful of your environment down here and stay safe, yeah?
Amazing, thank you so
Okay?
much. And that's just this trail here, yeah?
Yeah.
The one we came from.
30 minutes
Yep.
down to 11.
That's what Theo has packed for his lunch. What's the contents of this sandwich, Theo?
Beef pastrami, baby jam, cheddar, balsamic glaze.
Balsamic vinegar?
Yeah, glaze.
Glaze,
Different,
my bad.
different.
Theo and Josie, here for the views. Now that we've met the squad, let's take a jump into the trail.
Back in the city where the lights stay wild. Bass hit heavy, got a club on trial. Shorty too bad, got a dangerous smile. On the headline, maybe not just stop. Pull up clean, no stress on me. Wrist on cold, neck like sea. Boys talk tough, but they fold on beat. I don't play fair, just play elite. Late night text like, where you at? Told her on the way, I move like that. No brakes, no cap, I'm built to last. She want one more round, I told her bet fast.
Oh my god, content creator! I think it's copyrighted.
So don't let go, just ride with me. Hands on me like gravity.
No, that's the way back.
Let's get lost in
Because we're on the loop now.
Hands on me like gravity. Yeah, let's get lost in ecstasy. Champagne spilled on a ball main tee. She a 10 in the face, got the soul I need. Talk sweet, but she don't play cheap. She a queen, but she move like street. We just vibing rooftop nights. On lit when we take flight. Say she love that girl that fight. Put on the storm, not the throw frames on, get the diamonds on. Never need love when I die out in. Shorty said you gon' be on wild. Proceed to sunrise, ride with me. Lights down low, no silent. Girl, you got that fire.
So now we're gonna head down the stairs to technically the last waterfall on the trail, but it was the first one for us because we did it backwards. Please be advised if you do this trail. This one has 170 stairs, and the other waterfall that you'll see later has 200. So just keep that in mind if you're gonna give it a go.
You the type to get me caught up in a flame. No rules, how we play the game. In the fast lane, just through the rain. I be like calling out your name. You the kind to give me, kind to get it fake.
Oh yeah.
Don't sleep till sunrise, ride with me.
The reason we did this waterfall first is because you can go behind it, and we were all really eager to do that. It was February, so it was freezing, but it was definitely worth it. Okay.
If you go up, you'll get sick. Are you ready?
Aye, aye, Captain. Ladies first. Oh, well.
Back in the city where the lights stay wild. Bass hit heavy, got a club on top. Shorty too bad, got a dangerous smile. On the headline, baby, now she stuck. Pull up clean, no stress on me. Wrist on cold, neck like steel. Boys talk tough, but they fold on me. I play fair, play elite. Late night text, like where you at? Told her on the way, I move like that. No brakes, no cap, I'm built to last. So one more round, so the bed fell. Don't sleep till sunrise, ride with me.
We're already so.
Lights down, low, move silently. Girl, you got that fire, so don't let go, just ride with me. Hands on me like gravity.
Can you record me?
Let's get on some ecstasy. Hands on me like gravity. Let's get on some ecstasy. Champagne spilled in the ball, make that shit 10 in the face, like a soul line. Don't sleep, but she don't play cheap. She a freak, she move like street. We just vibing rooftop nights. When we take flight, say she love that thrill, that fight. But I'm the song, not the light. Hopped out looking like a young icon. Gold frames on with the diamonds on. Never need love when I'm doubted. Shorty said you glow, yeah, I'm wild. Don't sleep till sunrise, ride with me. Lights down low, move silent. Girl, you got that fire, I breathe. So don't let go, just vibe with me. Hands on me like gravity. Let's get lost in ecstasy. Hands on me like gravity. Let's get lost in ecstasy. Let's get lost in ecstasy. Let's get lost in ecstasy. You the type to get me caught up in a flame. No rules, now we just play the game. In the fast lane, switching through the rain. I be like calling out your name. You the kind to get it, kind to get it fake. Move, yeah, move, yeah. Don't sleep till sunrise, ride with me. Girl, you got that fire. Hands on me like gravity. Let's get lost in ecstasy.
Oh, that was near. You did frame flip. 250 quid my way. Here we have the second waterfall, or if you're doing it the right way around, the third waterfall. It's actually amazing. The sheer drop on this one is crazy. I think in the summer this one will be very, very cool to just dip your feet in. Obviously not in the sheer drop bit. And not too far away from this one, we have the third or second waterfall, depending on which way you're doing it. This one is beautiful. It's a multi-layer waterfall, so you can see it gradually drop. And I even got a bit of a rainbow in the next clip.
Back in the city where the lights stay down. Basically, every got a club on top. Shorty too bad, got a dance in the night. Pull up, clean, no stress on me. I'm cold, act like shit. What's on top of the floor on me? I don't get back. Ain't nothing but a baby out. Put on a way, I do like it. Break no cake, I'm good. I'm on, throw it back up. Don't be too sorry.
And sadly, the fourth waterfall, or the first, was closed off. So here's an aerial view of the waterfall. I have no words. What an amazing day that was. I mean, it was only 2.5 hours away from where I live, and it was phenomenal. Such an amazing hike, and I really recommend it. It's called the Four Waterfalls hike. There's a Welsh name for it, but I don't know it because I don't speak Welsh. But honestly, 10 out of 10 hike. I highly recommend it, and I will be going back in the summer. Did I finish the video? No. So here I am, gonna give you the outro now, but honestly, I recommend it. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. We are now on the road to 250, which is crazy that I'm saying that because I'm already on 100, and thank you so much for everyone subscribing. But yeah, 10 out of 10 hike, recommend it. Please leave a comment on what hike you want me to do next. I will do it, unless it's K2 or Everest. I won't do those ones, but anything else, probably. And yeah, I hope you really enjoyed the video. Out.